Here we are on a decorative driveway resurfacing. This driveway has some pitting, some spalling at the surface, and a few cracks. We prepped the surface by acid etching and pressure washing it and doing a little bit of patchwork and crack fill, and then we hand troweled a modified acrylic cement over the surface to give it a stone trowel texture, what I call it. And we have it stained. You don't see much of the stained color now. Today we're gonna put 2 coats of an acrylic sealer on it, and that'll make the color of the stain come to life and the texture to it. Here we are all done with the driveway resurfacing. We just finished 2 coats of sealer. A little bit of the glossiness will subside a little bit. But one real nice way of addressing a driveway that's got some pitting and spallings, a little bit of surface issues, still structurally sound, and of less cost generally than pouring a whole new slab. And obviously it looks nicer than new concrete and more protected. This you can salt. Salt eats concrete. The overlayment product on here, you then can salt and it won't damage the surface. Any questions on what we can do to your concrete surface, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.